Hello everyone, it's your favorite niece Jen here, and since this month is the month that Muslims celebrate Ramadan, I'm gonna explain to you why they celebrate Ramadan. Ramadan is celebrated because it's one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Fasting during the holy month is seen as a way to cleanse the soul and have empathies for those in the world who are hungry and less fortunate. It is also a time for spiritual reflection, prayer, and doing good deeds and spending time with family and friends. Happy Ramadan to all my Muslim brother and sisters. And I'm gonna give out some shout outs. Lavina Arjun, Cindy Pancho, Goldsmith, Ma Nana, I love you guys. Life with Dave and Trish, Auntie Annie Prasad, Auntie Scanner Prasad, D. Chu, Om Singh, Jeanette Prasad, my favorite Chacha Reza M, Uncle Ben, Arnhem Barker, Auntie Nisha Razak, Auntie Gazina Safi, Susie Hines, Helen Bedram, and these are the shoutouts from Facebook. Buck Ramasar, Derek Rambilas, Camille Rambilas, Anita Joynath, Bebe Zamarudin, Bibi Shireza Rajab, Ramaswamy, Shaman Priya, Sita Butt, Derek Bihari, Drew Moon, Ajay Tilak, Sati Nath Singh, Chitra Kabir, Poonam Bassett, and Anita Smith. Bye!
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video.
Please subscribe to our channel
And share with everyone. So you guys know I'm a bus driver, right? So in my morning route, every morning, this one old lady sit right behind me and she hand me some nut. So one day I asked her, why you keep giving me your nut? She said, I don't like them. So I said, why you buy them then if you don't like it? She said, no. I buy M&M and I suck out the chocolate and now I give you the remaining. I give you the nut. Hello everyone. How is everybody doing today? So look at the spread that we got here. We feel like to eat some nice chicken biryani. So last time we did goat, right? So Rita not eating goat. So we're making this for her today, specifically for her, right? She said she missed out the last time. So I have all my ingredients prepped and ready to go here. Here we have the chicken cleaned up and ready to go. We got Greek non-fat yogurt. You can use any yogurt that you want, but we choose to use that. I got 3 tomatoes here. And we got a few onion. Rita, chop up the onion. How much you got here, Rita?
3.
3 onions.
Small onion.
Alright, so here we got cilantro and here we got some mint. Of course, we got the main ingredients here, the biryani. We got some ground garlic. And here we got about 10 chili pepper here, green chili pepper, cut up and ready to go. And we got some saffron here, organic saffron, all the way from Greece, organic, right? This is to give it some flavor there. Alright, so we got everything ready. Come on, let's go. So we got the karahi warm up there. I'm going in with some olive oil. Decent amount there, right? You don't want to be stingy. We'll let that warm up and we'll go in with the first ingredient.
Things so expensive now, man.
Yeah, man. Thing very expensive now. You call that inflation, or Biden call it shrinkflation. So when you buy the chips, you got less in the bag. The bag remain the same, but the chips, the amount inside is less. So you call it shrinkflation.
So he's doing about it.
I don't know. He said he got to get Congress to work on it. He can't do it by himself. My oil warm up. I'm going in with my onion there, chipped up onion. You want to give it a lot of onion, right? So you want this to be flavorful. That's why we're gonna put a lot of flavor into it here and spices to make it nice and flavorful. So we'll fry the onion for a little bit. Let it caramelize. We don't want it over fry, right? So we lose the taste of it. Just to touch it up a little bit here, and then we'll go in with the meat. Alright, so we got our onion caramelized. I'm going in with my chicken there. Alright, so let's get the chicken mixed up and then incorporate with the onion there. And we'll let that fry for a little bit. Alright, so we got the chicken fried up for a little bit. I'm going to go in with my ground garlic. Here I got the chipped up tomatoes. Here I got my parsley, chipped up parsley. Chipped up mint. Let's give it a turn there and try to get everything mixed up. And if you want, you can puree the tomato, the mint leaf, and the parsley. It's optional. Some people like to do it that way. For me, I prefer to put it in a chip stub
I like it that
or
way.
diced up.
I think it cooked better with the meat.
That's how we feel, right? Here I got my green chili. Here I got about 2 pot spoons of non-fat Greek yogurt there.
2 parts. Average, right?
Yeah, average. Here I'm going in with some red chili, some paprika, and some black pepper. And here I'm gonna add in some turmeric.
What is this turmeric for?
Give it some nice color and flavor also. Here I have the chicken biryani. I'm gonna put in about 3 tablespoons here. Here I'm going in with some salt. Alright, so we got everything in there. We're gonna turn this up and then we're gonna let this meat cook with the yogurt, right? And all the seasoning here. So all the seasoning, give it nice flavor. It's already smelling pretty good, right? And with the yogurt, it's gonna make the meat loose and it's gonna be nice and soft. Alright, so we got everything incorporated there. Let's check in and see how the chicken coming along there. See? It's looking good there. The chicken is almost boiled already. We're gonna let this water boil long a little bit more and we should be good to go. On this side, I have my basmati rice here. That's the rice we prefer to use. Basmati rice, I just throw that in there. I'm gonna add some biryani seasoning, some clove and cardamoms there. More flavor, right? Flavor on top of flavor.
Nice. I'm gonna enjoy this meal. Wait a minute, all this food is for me?
All this is for you. Only for you only.
Oh,
if
man.
you want to be a little nice, you can share with me and Ethan.
I gotta think about it.
Alright.
Ooh, looking good. And you have to put it on slow heat, guys.
Yeah, not too much heat. So you want the chicken to fully boil, right? So you can have nice soft meat, even though the yogurt is gonna help it to boil really soft. Yes, guys, so we're gonna prepare the saffron. Here I got a little bit of warm water here. And here I have my organic saffron. I'm just gonna put a couple of grain in here, not too much. And then we're gonna let it draw out into the water, and then we'll add the water onto our chicken, biryani chicken, right?
And that thing expensive, the little bottle.
This little bottle is like $35, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna let it draw out here. Let the water draw out the saffron, and then we're gonna add it in, right? So it can spread evenly in our biryani chicken. So 2 young kids were coming home, right? One of them 12-year-old, one of them 14-year-old. When they see a man come out from a brothel, so they approach a man and they say, "We know where you've been. We're gonna tell everybody." The man said, "No. Here, give them $20 and say, don't reveal anything." So anyway, the man go on anyway, continue. The 2 kids now, being sneaky, they follow the man again. They follow the man and they see where he lives. When he about to enter the house, they call on him again. And they said, "Now we know where you live." The poor man hand them $50 and said, "Don't say anything." So when they go home, they show their mom that they got a $20 and they got a $50 bill. So the mom said, "Where did you get that from?" So they explained to the mom what happened. The mom said, no. This is very disgraceful. You guys should go to church and go to confession. So off you go to confession. So when they go to confession, they come back home now. They come back with a $100 bill. So the mom asked them what happened. She said, "Now we even know where the man worked." So here, guys, just check out this chicken biryani there. See how it's coming along there? This is good here. The chicken is well boiled. And we got the correct amount of gravy that we need there. So we're going to turn this off. And then we'll go to the next step. Here I got my karahit that I'm going to use to do the final step here. I'm going to add this rice here. I'm going to use about half of it. I'm going to try to make a sandwich with the chicken biryani that I have. It's a very simple process, right? I might not use all of the rice. I'll average based on the chicken that I have, right?
Yeah, extra rice tomorrow. I'll make some shrimp fried rice.
Yeah.
Egg and shrimp.
Yeah. You're not gonna have a lot extra, just a little bit. All right, so you wanna have about half of that there, and then we'll add the chicken. So here we got the rice in there. We're gonna add the chicken in now, and try to make a sandwich out of it.
Nice. Yum, yum.
Yep, it smells good too, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we got our chicken there. Now we're gonna sandwich it with the rice. You want to cover it as much as possible, but you don't have to be perfect, right? A little bit can be exposed. Rita, you unlocked it today, girl. You see how much you get here?
I know.
Comes out a lot, right?
Yeah. I like to eat plenty. How you think I gotta maintain this body?
All right. So here I have some food coloring. This is optional, right? To give it some nice color there. Let me go this way so you guys can see.
Right, Rita, I will buy you a Christian Dior bag this summer.
Will. Oh, too bad we ran out of space. And here I got my saffron. Draw out in the water there. Some people remove it. I just leave it in. It's all more flavor, right? Flavor on top of flavor. So I'm going to cut a piece of file paper here to cover this pot. Rita's sitting very expensive, so I'll make sure I cut it to the exact size, right? Don't waste it. We're going to try to steam this rice now.
Yeah, I know. I see everybody saying that they're getting $3,500 on their kids for tax and stuff like that. We barely get a couple dollars.
I've been eligible, man.
Why?
So low heat, very low heat, and we're gonna put a timer for 10 minutes. I'm also gonna put the cover on top to hold this file paper down. All right, so we'll put this on here, and we'll time it for 10 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
All right, so 10 minutes, and then we'll check on this here. All right, guys, so 10 minutes up. We'll take a look here and get to the moment of truth, right? Let's see how this looks in there. Looks good too. See, we got steam coming out of it.
Real nice.
Yep. You're gonna turn it up. You want to turn it up gently, right? If you want, you can use the opposite side if you don't want to break up the rice, but I'm gonna use the regular side and go slowly. Just turn it up gently. Some people don't even turn it, they just take from it. But you want to mix up the gravy a little bit with the rice, right?
Yeah, and Krishna worked with a lot of Indian. That's why you know this dish, right?
Yeah. They always bring it when they celebrate something. They bring biryani rice. Plus, we used to have a Pakistan neighbor. He teach me firsthand on how to make it. Yes, guys. So let me go ahead and give a taste test for this chicken biryani here. I'm gonna go ahead and try the rice first.
Stop going with your hand when you eat this.
It's okay. It's very flavorful. The spice level. Let's give the chicken a try here. See? The chicken is loosening off the bone there. This is the way you want it, right? I'm gonna taste the chicken and the rice together. And this here is full of flavor, very flavorful, and the spice level is good. And with the onion and all the pepper that we put in here, and if you want more pepper, you can take on top too. But this is pretty good here, very flavorful. Rita, you're gonna love this. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy this. All right, so come on, join me.
Enjoy.
And with this here, can't forget, right? I got a Crips Banks beer here to wash it down. Man, this is what you call heaven.